Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you with a huge announcement. Some of y'all have heard, some of you haven't, but you do now. We were able to sponsor a pro drag racer in the NHRA by the name of Camrie Caruso. I'm going to read some real quick because obviously I can't remember it all. But Camrie Caruso is 23 years old and was the second woman to contest a full season of NHRA pro stock racing. She was 23 years old and last year made it to be a pro stock racer. We had the opportunity to sponsor the vehicle. Now, my idea was to bring the race audience and network and people and platform to the car audio because it's all about automotives and excitement and everything else. And we are actually going to be a full wrap, which I'm sure Ben is displaying this, in 2 weeks, the 28th and 29th, at a race in Charlotte. Now, this is not just any race. One, we're going to be fully wrapped on there with the Big Jeff Audio name, which just blows my mind. I got to talk and obviously learn a lot about Camrie. So down to earth. Even she does her own deals with the sponsoring. You would not expect all that out of somebody that age. And she is all about business. And right now, I believe this week she is racing in Vegas. And I'm going to bring up some information because we're actually going there to be at the race in Charlotte. So we're going to be at Charlotte at the Circle K NHRA 4-wide Nationals. This is going to be a huge race, April 29th through the 1st. Me and my team are going to be there. We're going to announce a 7K YouTube giveaway there and much, much more. We are so proud to be a part of the NHRA and to be a part of Camrie Caruso's career. She has a family multiple generations deep into racing, and I'll tell you what, talking with her is huge. We are also going to be doing me and her on Demo Brothers next Thursday, which you need to tune in. That's going to be on the 20th. Demo Brothers, we're going to be doing an interview with me and her on there, so make sure you tune in to Demo Brothers live for that. We'll leave some information in the bottom. So there's so much going on. Big shout out to Camrie Caruso. Big shout out for us being a part of this. We've sponsored the rest of the races. I believe there's 14 more after that. And we're so proud to be a part of that. And hopefully you all can give some love on her social media pages. And I'm hoping that we can bring the best Basehead family and bring that together with the race family NHRA and grow our audience. This is good for everybody. Not even better than that is going to be Fox Sports that puts this on TV, 1.2 to 2 point something million viewers, and we're going to be on the race car. So I want all of us to root for her, make sure you leave her some love, and follow this along. We will be updating everybody along not just this race, but all of them. And we're so excited. I couldn't do things like this again without you being a part of it. And I'm calling out for the Big Jeff family now to help out and show some love. So this is just some great news. I am so humble. How many online e-commerce even distributors could say they sponsored a race car, let alone having their name all over it. This is just an incredible ride. So we're going to be there that weekend. We're going to be shooting videos. We're going to do the 7K giveaway. You can look for that video. We're giving away a Kicker Solo X speaker that just came out. Huge. Also, there's a video in our YouTube that Exhibit gave a shout out to Camrie Caruso and Big Jeff Audio. Make sure you look them up, like them, share them, comment them. That really helps us out to keep growing our subscriber list, which allows us to do things like sponsoring not just race cars, but our customers and the giveaways and everything else. Listen, I know my voice is shot. I've been going nonstop, but I'm Big Jeff Audio. Humble and proud as could be, and thank you to all of the Big Jeff fans, the faithful fans that follow us from the start, and even the new ones that are coming on now. I just can't say enough. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Do me a favor, like this video, share this video, leave a comment, and then check out the links in the description to show some love to the Caruso family, the race family, and the NHRA, and bringing them over into the car audio platform industry, whatever you want to call it. I'm excited. I'm Big Jeff Audio signing off till the next big announcement.